Alright guys, RockCrawlinJeeps tow rig tech edition? I don't know, whatever. You'll remember this pile from when we redid the transfer case because we had a chain go bad and was popping all over the place and I didn't have four-wheel drive. Well, joke's on me, I still don't have four-wheel drive. I took the front drive shaft out because I'm getting some front end noise, and I got death wobble the other day. And well, I found my culprit. Hold it in my hand. This is the cure right here. So I have a factory track bar in this truck. It's been in there since I've owned it. I put new Moog ball, or not Moog ball joints. I put Moog track bar bushings in it the other week. I guess it's been a few months now, but anyway, they wore out way faster than they should. This truck's running 36-inch tires. I do tow quite a bit with it, and they were just not up to the task. So I called up my friends at Rare Parts again. We're really happy to be associated with them, partners and sponsored for 2019. So Rare Parts is a distributor for Synergy Manufacturing. So this is a Synergy track bar for your 2003 to 2010 Cummins, or 2500 with a gas motor if you're into that kind of thing. But we're gonna go ahead and throw this in, and if this doesn't fix the problem, you know, I don't really know what will. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thrown in. All right, let's get this thing out of here. I love that impact. It makes life so easy. So, one end out. Let's get the other end out. Oh, Jesus. Okay, might need something bigger. Bet some snap-by guy out there is having a heart attack looking at this. We're just changing out the inserts on our track bar here. That comes with two different ones, and unfortunately for us, we needed the ones that weren't included. So, or they were included, but they weren't installed. We got our new bushings pressed in here, or not our bushings, but our inserts for our bolts. So we got those pressed in for our size hardware, and now we're gonna get this old stock style crappy track bar out of the way. Yeah, those didn't hold up. So we've got that all the way turned down. I'm not trying to impact it to death on there. We'll actually grab a ratchet and tighten it up so we're not fighting and killing ourselves the next time we got to take it off. But nice and simple, super easy installation. And this should hold up a whole hell of a lot better than that old one that was in there. So thanks again, Rare Parts, for getting us taken care of. All right, well, putting it all back together. Should probably clean these race lines. Sorry, guys, they're dirty. Ones on my Jeep are kind of clean, though. They're looking shiny. I think we need some for that thing, though. Race lines on everything. We're going to go put this thing to the test. I know where a good pothole is. This is my favorite little road for testing this because there's manhole covers all over this thing. So you just got to hit one. We'll go about 45, which is where I've had problems in the past. And we're just going to smack a couple of them. I mean, that feels super solid. There's a couple bigger ones down here we'll hit, and we'll just see. Also, proper hand position. We're not bro driving, we're driving. So they're right up here after this light. Two, feels great, and that was a right and a left, so I'm pretty happy with that. We have a few control arm bushings to this is a good one. nothing. Super solid. So, Synergy Track Bar, Rare Parts Inc., thanks so much. Now I can safely tow with my truck and not have to worry about it. Next up, though, we're going to long arm this thing. And then we're going to look for some twin turbos. We're just going to keep going. It's already a money pit. We'll just keep going. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We appreciate everybody. And, you know, stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And, well, see you guys next week.